Hello, welcome. This is gonna be my first out of many different accounts. This is my main account. So let me just turn on Do Not Disturb for the next hour or two. Let me get my phone in so I don't miss. Hello, this is phone. My phone. Bluetooth. It's fine. Yeah. Well, I don't know why it says insufficient funds, but we are in on my phone. Let me pull down my tripod because that's in my way. Maybe one more account because there's gonna be 6 different videos. This is the early bird part, and I could have been recording videos that are gonna come out as one long video soon. So, yeah. Do not disturb. Yeah. Joining on it. What did my friend want me to join? I'm going to see them because I'm going to try to see what they're trying to do. What the heck? Nope. Not playing that game. Only still playing it. I'm not. And that game should be crap. Sorry, I didn't mean to end off your other iPad. Let's all stay in my server just in case, because you never know when Sammy's gonna do it, because I missed it last Saturday, because I thought, oh yeah, it was gonna be at 2 o'clock, then he started to do it early, so let's stay in there. 18 minutes. Just skip to 1 minute or when Sammy says early bird, because I don't want to miss it. So that's why I'm starting at 20 minutes early, because I don't want to miss it. So yeah, I have cords. I'm ready for this event. Go to, and if you want to see this my setup, go to Unfiltered Panda Parker, because I'm going to currently record short for over there through the YouTube app. I'm currently recording another video because today's my longest recording day. I've been recording non-stop for since 8:30 a.m. and now I have to make it go longer. And this is my setup. 3 iPads, 3 accounts. I'm ready to get the strawberry elephant. Yeah, you're too unfiltered. I should have posted these on the second channel, but Unfiltered is gonna be like my shorts channel now. Caterpillar 2 is gonna be extra videos. New video soon. Yeah, I'm currently recording it. So once you find, please subscribe. El Coco Fonto Elefanto, not the right thing. Yeah. Now it's just the waiting game. Yeah, let's go. I hope I get the slap on my main and on my 2 other accounts. The the secret lucky block. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my channels. I changed the my main channels my channels box ups. It's gonna have all of my channels that I'm gonna use, like, yeah. Then towards after Pac-Man, which used to be a secret account, I decided I'm gonna use that account now for some videos. After Poco 5, those are channels I'm not gonna be using anymore, or like Manatee Music, Panda Poco Updates, or Gamer Panda. I've lost access to those channels, or at least I think so. I thought I found some on my old phone. Dang it, I lost the channel. Why are you guys two here? I don't know. Why did 2 people just join? I didn't know. I was just looking on my other phone and then 2 strangers joined my private server. While I'm trying to wait. So I'm just uploading this raw 3 different videos, 6 videos. This is the early bird. Phone is number 3. Because I'm hoping that Sammy, since it's early bird and he does usually give out secret lucky blocks, that he's going to do the secret lucky block, like adds the new best thing to secret lucky block today. I thought I was going to have a show, because I'm going to play. I thought I was going to have a play that I'm going to have to be there by like 4 p.m. But nope. Thank goodness. That got me scared for like a few days, but then I realized, oh, I'm just thinking wrong. But nope, I have time. I'm gonna have to somehow finish the event. I'm gonna start it home. If it starts at 3:15, I can't do it, because that would be too long. Because no delays, please. I wish I could have them all on one video, but the video is the last parts of it are gonna be the reactions. Because I've only reacted to some videos, have to react to one more. No, I'm gonna have to upload it Monday night. Okay, that's fine. Monday night. Homework. Please, no homework. Pro player. Our server's restarting. I'm just shutting down every single server right now. No. Shut down. Don't. Silver V2. V3. Ooh, secret like the block. Yep. What the? If it shuts down, that's fine. I'm just gonna get my account set up just in case. If the server restarts, that's fine. No new lucky blocks. 0.5. Still a lot secret for me. I'm rejoining at 52. No. Don't close my ear. I'm taking off my AirPods for a sec. Because they're dying. Let me put on the pros. Okay, good. I give it to 52. Actually, I'm joining in to them on now. Editor, I'm restarting that because I'm not doing any. I have to. I'll just stop it there. Save new video. 3. Hello, we're back on the third account. Sorry, I just had to edit out the ending because it showed personal information. 0.5. I've given it time. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm back. Sorry, my parents just need to tell me something, but I'm back. My setup is in. No, I shouldn't have the lag. Don't tell me they changed that way. You have to be right next to it. Just a minute. Gonna stop. Then it's gonna go away. Not gonna touch any of my devices. Let's Let's see how long that is. Got that I have on all my devices really long stopwatches. You guys are just gonna have to see tell me in the comments how long it is. I don't know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not. We're muting the music because of copyright reasons. Because Sammy puts into the game copyrighted music. Five minutes. 5 minutes. Oh, it's probably when I click to do something else. Yeah, 5 minutes. A 5-minute warning. Yeah. What are we going to get? While I wait, and I'm turning up all my volume, so you're gonna hear 2 of them, and one of them is gonna be in my AirPods. I need my old phone because I'm gonna fix my clock because the time on it is wrong. It'll be 1 minute ahead, but that's fine. At least it's ahead than it being behind.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Ugh. I'm gonna do. Oh, this is my friend. Dang it, as his name is, username, he is a rage beta. I'm just gonna act like this is a normal, flip time. Stop joining me! I don't know who this guy is. I'm blocking him. It's fine. There's gonna be a couple videos being posted. We have 2 minutes. I'm gonna try to join someone else's server. Safe. Yeah, you think? Good. Oh, L base. Nothing good. Okay. We have 1 minute and 38 seconds. One minute. I'm gonna rejoin. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to scam someone. Okay. Bet 50 seconds. No one leave. I'm not leaving. One. Good. What did I do? Normal. No. Transparent. D. Small. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Dang it. Only got money on all 3 accounts. That's disappointing. Sammy early bird? News. What the flip? That just scared the everything out of me. The runs and trees. Cool. Yep. Early bird time. Trevor. I wonder when Sammy's gonna remove the codes. Will you, Sammy?
Lucky block.
Uh-huh.
Lucky block.
You have to wait 30 minutes
Lucky block.
from time of purchasing this. I'm not opening these till 3 p.m. because of the Stale Brainwatt update. Is that all, Sammy? He usually says see y'all in an hour. Let me look up my base because Rage Bait is gonna come in here. Let's see if one of my friends is gonna join. Let's see if Rage Bait is gonna join. Bruh. Crap, my other account just, their screen recording stopped. But I think that'll be done for right now.